are everything. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a video today on my updated makeup foundation routine. I applied lashes. It's not something I do every single day, but I decided to just give you guys a full on face of what I would do if I did a full face, because you know I like to keep everything super natural. I kind of went back to this matte lip only because I realized that in the winter time I really like when my lips are matte and like when my face looks a little bit flatter or like matter. You'll see the products are slightly different, but most of the things are the same. I just use more of a base, like a moisturizing base, than I usually do. A lot of the stuff that you've been asking for especially, so definitely make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Join the squad. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see something else, you know, obviously I always read my comments, so make sure you leave me suggestions down below. I really appreciate them, all of them. Like, I'm telling you, I read every single comment. If I don't reply, I'll give it like a little heart or a little thumbs up or like a little dislike if I ain't really messing with that comment. But I'll definitely respond. You'll get a response from me. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm here for you, okay? I need you to let me know what you want to say. Like, I'm hot. I need to breathe. You know when you have makeup on and you hot, it's just too much. Okay? Alright. But anyway, yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Don't want to hold you guys up anymore. And let me know what you guys think about the look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting off with a moisturizer from La Mer, and I'm using this moisturizer to be my base for my makeup. In the wintertime, your skin is really dry, so this is really important. Any moisturizer is actually fine, honestly. Just get something that's moisturizing. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my LA Pro Conceal in orange, and I'm using this to hide all of my dark areas. I've been using this a lot lately because I've been noticing them even more underneath my makeup. And this is the Cogendo foundation in 302, and this is their Aqua foundation. I know they have other foundations on their site, but I'll leave the link to this one specifically down below. This didn't cover my face as much as I wanted it to, so I'm just going to add a little bit more coverage so that I can get all of that orange redness underneath out of the way. Next, going on to concealing, I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit, and this is my concealer shade. And I'm using this LA Pro Girl in CHESTNUT to contour my areas that I would like to cream contour. And next, I'm going to be blending everything out with my damp beauty blender. As you guys can see, I blended out the highlight and then I blended out the contour. Next, going in with this NEUTROGENA pressed powder, I'm going to be setting my under eyes and all of the areas that I highlighted, well, concealed in the beginning. I'm going to be going over those areas with this powder so that everything could be matte. And I wiped off the foundation off my lips. Y'all know I hate that. Next, going in with the M.A.C Cosmetics Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. I'm using this to contour those areas that I cream contour with that chestnut concealer earlier, and I'm just kind of going over my eyes and using the same skin finish to contour my eyelids and to deepen those areas on my eyes. Next, going in with the Maybelline gel liner. I'm going to be creating a wing. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for a tutorial for this, but I feel like I put a lot of these tutorials inside of my videos, but I'll definitely do a video specifically on that for you guys that want a detailed video. Next, with my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in dark brown, I'm going to be using this to fill in my brows. As you guys can see, I started underlining my brows in the beginning, well, kind of outlining my brows, going over the top of my brows, then I'm filling in As you guys can see, I'm filling them in from the middle down to the end and then down to the beginning of my brows. I do the beginning of my brows last because that's when all the excess powder is on there and it's just lighter. So going in with my brow bone color, I'm using this Glo Up highlighter from Colourpop. I'm using the same highlighter to go in my inner tear duct. And then I'm going to be using this blush from Clinique to kind of give my face some color. I don't really use that much blush. Next for my lashes, I'm using the Labella Winx lashes. They're mink lashes in the shade, in the kind Gabrielle. And I'm just putting these on real quick. And I go over underneath with some mascara to hold everything in. And the same highlighter I use for my brow bone, I'm going to be going in with that on my cheeks, on my upper cheeks. And I love this highlighter. I've been using it for so long, guys. It's $8, by the way, and it just does the job. It's creamy and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. It's my go-to highlighter. Next, for my lips, I'm going in with the NYX their lip liner in Coffee, and then I'm going in with the Colourpop liquid lipstick in Trap. Alright guys, so this is like my completed final full face winter makeup look. I keep everything super flat, and I know I look very different with blonde hair. So everything might look a little bit more over the top, but the makeup itself is actually pretty much the same thing that I used last year winter time, but it just looks different because of my hair. So if you guys are wondering like, it looks a little too much, don't worry. When you do your makeup the way I did my makeup in this video, and you have regular natural like black hair or brown hair, if that's your natural hair, if it's blonde, then obviously like it's gonna look like this. But again, I'm not naturally blonde, so this hair is gonna take some getting used to. Sure, yeah, add me on Snapchat, guys. I made a new Snapchat a couple months ago, but I haven't been using it that much. I was like super used to using my old one, and I was like, no, I don't really like my old one anymore because there's a lot of people on there that I really want on my old one. So I just was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make another one. So make sure you add me on Snapchat, and don't forget. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, like I said before, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And I will see you guys again in my next video. I'm going to be uploading weekly now. I'm on a schedule. I know, right? Look at me, Mrs. Inconsistent, on a schedule, trying to be consistent for the new year. I'm gonna try, but don't kill me if I don't. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.